All right, today's lesson we are looking at, we're going to continue addition and subtraction of polynomials. We will also look at algebra tiles today. So a few examples to do here. So the first example, we have a 3 here in front of the bracket. So this 3, that means we have to multiply everything inside the bracket with that 3. Next, we just have a positive here. We assume that's just a positive 1, so nothing will change for the second bracket. All right, so first bracket, 3 times 2x, that becomes 6x. And then 3 times negative 1, that becomes negative 3. So we have 6x minus 3. And then here, we're just going to open up our bracket. So we have plus 10x squared minus 5x, and then minus 7. All right, last step to do here is collecting any like terms. All right, so we have here 10x squared. It's the only one by itself, so we just have 10x squared. And then we have 6x and minus 5x. And then we have negative 3 minus 7. All right, so those are the ones we have to collect. So we're just going to write out 10x squared. 6x minus 5x just leaves us with 1x, so just plus x. And then we have negative 3 and negative 7, which will give me negative 10. All right, so this is now simplified. 10x squared plus x minus 10. There's nothing further we can do here, so we will leave it as that. All right, so for this next question, so we have the negative 2 in front of this first bracket, so everything inside the bracket is going to get multiplied by negative 2. So negative 2 times x, that becomes negative 2x, and then negative 2 times positive 4 becomes negative 8, or minus 8. Okay. Next, we have the negative on the outside. We assume it's a negative 1, multiplying everything inside of that second bracket. So signs are going to change. This is a positive 8x. That's going to become minus 8x. And then this will become a positive 11. All right, so first step, this is what you should end up with. Negative 2x minus 8 minus 8x plus 11. Okay, now we can go ahead and collect like terms. So the negative 2x and the negative 8x are going to get collected together. All right, so when we have a negative 2 minus 8, that's the same thing as negative 2 plus negative 8. All right, so either way, it's the same thing. The answer is negative 10x. All right, and then we have the negative 8 and positive 11, which gives me positive 3. All right, so the answer is negative 10x plus 3. Okay, so 2x plus 3, nothing in front of the bracket here. So this bracket will just open up as 2x plus 3. All right, next we have this negative 2 in front of the second bracket. So this negative 2 is going to multiply everything inside that bracket. So negative 2 times negative 3y, that becomes positive 6y. And then we have negative 2 times negative 2, which becomes positive 4. All right, next bracket, we have a negative 3 in front of this bracket. So the negative 3 is going to multiply everything inside of that third bracket. So negative 3 times 3y is negative 9y. And then negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. All right, so double check that you guys all made it to this step. So now, after this step, now we would collect like terms. Okay, so again, use lines or different colors. So we have a 2x, no other x here, so it's just by itself. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, so 2x is by itself. Then we have 3 with positive 4 and negative 3. And then we have 6y and negative 9y. All right, so descending order or alphabetical order. So we will put our 2x first. All right, next we will put our y next. So 6y minus 9y, which gives me a negative 3y. Then we have 3 plus 4, which is 7, minus 3, which is positive 4. All right, so 2x minus 3y plus 4.